Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today we are working on maintenance day 8 or month 8, whichever way you want to say it. So let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I'm going to write maintenance 8, and it's 2019. Alright, and off we go with the all caps. Unfortunately, this does not look like a very good day for me. I don't know if it's because I'm a little bit tired or what. Maybe a little exhausted. Who knows? But these letters are only coming out okay. Could always be better, but of course they always can. That's why we're practicing. Try and be as good as we can while writing with our left hands. Yeah, it looks pretty similar to the previous days or months, however you want to say it. And now I'll go ahead and get started with lowercase. Yeah, after today, starting, I guess, which will be next month, for maintenance 9, I'll have to flip to the back of this page, so I won't have my usual reference to see how I'm doing compared to the previous day. Or I keep saying day, but it's really previous. In this case, it's not even a month, it's like every other week. So, or it's not even every other week, it's just like the first or 2 weeks of the first 4 weeks. Yeah, that's how I can say it, I guess. All right, now I'll write the numbers and then we'll call it a day. It's going fairly well, thankfully. All right, and there you have it. Maintenance number 8. Thanks for watching. Come back in 2 weeks, I guess, to watch the next maintenance number 9. Alrighty, goodbye.